Hello everybody and welcome back again. This video is a little different in that I thought I'm not presenting new material, I'm just going to do examples. And I thought we'd continue to do that as the course continues. I'll present a section and then I'll do examples. And in doing so, reading the book, we're in section 2.1, there's these problems called try it problems. And there's maybe 5 of them, and there's 5, we're going to have 5 of them today. There's maybe 5 or 6 in each chapter, but so the first one is on page 130. Come over. 130. It's a try it problem. It's just a little try it, and then gives you a problem. I'll read it. The problem says, excuse me. If f of x is a linear function and 2, 3, and 0.04 are points on the line, find the slope. Is this function increasing or decreasing? So page 130, try it. It's 2, 4, and 2, 3, and 0, 4 are points on a line. Find the slope. Determine the slope. Slope is change in y over change in x's. 4 minus 3 over 0 minus 2 is negative 1/2. Decreasing. Because the slope's less than 1. Okay? That's the first try it problem. The second one is on page 131. 131. And it's about a town. It's a real world, it's a modeling problem. 131. If the population of a small town increased from 1,442 to 1,868 between 2009 and 2012, find the change of population per year. So from 2009 until 2012, the original population in 2009 is 1,442, and the population in 2012 is 1,868. And now you have to make an assumption, which is never true, but we're using it as a model, and we're saying, hey, it increased steadily. Every year the increase is the same. That makes it a linear function. So all we're saying is this is the y's. So the change in y would be 1868 minus 1442, change in y, and divided by the change in x's is 3 years. 2012, minus 2009. And the arithmetic works out like this. I think it's 42 or something. No, 142 a year. 142 per year. So this town is gaining 142 people every year. Try it problem number 3 is on page 132. Page 132. Try it number 3. And that's it. Try number 3, 132. Write the point slope form of an equation with a slope of -2 that passes through the point -2, 2. Slope, -2, passes through the point -2, 2. Not sure why the example has so many 2's, but essentially that's what it is. So we have a slope, is -2, we have a point, I'm rewriting everything, -2, 2. Point slope formula, y minus y, 1 equals m times x minus x1. There's the m, there's y1 equals m, -2, times x minus -2. Notice the plus, please. Whoops, that's a negative. That slope is -2, right? And there it is, and I think you're supposed to put it in slope-intercept form, which means we're isolating y. Y minus 2 is -2x minus 4. Y equals -2x minus 2. All the 2's in that problem. I don't know why. That's try it number 3, where we wrote it. We had a point and a slope, and we put it in point slope form. Try it problem number 4. This is not good. Try it problem number 4 is on page. I gotta go here. Page 134. Try it problem number 4. is on page 134. Excuse all this. And it says, can I get it from here, I wonder? Negative 1300. You have two, I'm not going to read it for you. You have 2 points, negative 1, 3, and another one, 0, 0. And it's saying write the equation of the line. Just write the equation of the line. Well, here we have 2 points. So first thing, write the equation of the line. Write the equation. Well, the first thing is you got to get the slope. Extract the slope. I'm going to be talking about that in the next. So the slope is, well, I always go there, 0 minus 3 over 0 minus negative 1 is negative 3. So the slope is negative 3, and the points, we have the points already. And now see, here's the thing. You can use either one of these for a point slope form. And I'm actually going to do them both, I think, on this one, or is the next one, I forget. You can use either one of those points. Now, 0, 0, that's the origin, right? So you may as well do y minus 0 equals negative 3 x minus 0. Done. Just so that you know, this is what we got, and we're going to get that again. Geez, come on, Pat. We're going to get this again when we use this as the point slope form. I'm going to put a 3 in there and a negative 1, and we'll get this exact thing. Y minus 3 equals negative 3, slope, right? Times x minus plus 1. Y minus 3 equals negative 3x minus 3. Add 3 to both sides. Algebra. How we doing? Good. One more, I think. There's 5 of them in here. Yep. One more. Try it number 5. On page 136. Try it. Try it. Number 5. And I hope this is helpful to you because we'll probably do this as we go. F of 2 is negative 11, and F of 4 is 25. Oh, I can do this. Hey, I'm quite certain they're just asking us to find the equation of a line and put it in point slope form. But a point of this problem is these are just points. This is 2, negative 11. F at 2, F at x, that's the x. That's the x. 4, 25. So there, now we have 2 points. Now it's exactly like that problem. To find the slope, changing y's over changing x's. 4 minus 2 is 36 over 2. 2 is 18. The slope is 18. Choose either one of those points, and you'll get the same thing. How about this? Let's do it. Let's do that, and I'll do them both. I'm gonna use 1 point over here. Now, come on, erase. Here, I'm going to use the point 2, negative 11 for here with a slope of 18. And so here we go. We're going to put it in slope-intercept form. Y minus negative 11 equals 18 times x minus 2. Oops, did that. Little algebra. Y plus 11 equals 18x minus 36. Subtract the 11 on both sides. Y equals 18x minus 47. That's an 18. I certainly hope we get that when we do it with the orange. Let's do it with orange. And so here I'm going to use the point 425. Sounds like a time of day. I'm going to use the point 425. And the slope of 18. And y minus 25 equals 18 times x minus 4. Hope you're with me. Everybody understand? Move this table out of the way. And I'm just doing algebra, and hopefully we get the same thing. I'm sure we will. Y minus 25 equals 18x minus 18, 36, 72. Y equals 18x minus 47. Boom. I hope these examples were helpful. That's 2-1. Talk to you soon, actually.